How to fix Snapchat sorry couldn't find username problem. So if you're facing a problem with couldn't find username, like if you're searching for a username and if it says couldn't find the username, then what you need to do is, let's first open up the Snapchat application and go for the search, which is on the upper left, and then you need to search for a random person. And once you've searched here, it may say no result or it may say couldn't find the username. So if you have this kind of interface, then what you need to do is just go for the profile, which is on the upper left. Once you're on the profile, now go for the upper right, which has that settings option. Under settings, you need to scroll down and you need to go for an option of blocked. So tap on blocked users, and here you may have a person that you have blocked. So if you're searching for the person and it says sorry couldn't find the username, then that person might be on your blocked list. So simply check your block list and remove that person from your block list, and you can search for the person and you'll be able to find that person. So that's how you can fix the Snapchat couldn't find the username problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.